So I think this is this little Macau food street, which I don't recognize the restaurants. There's Guilin, which is another city. So maybe it's just kind of a collection. But we're gonna walk on out, and we are in Zhuhai. And you can actually see over here, it says food of Zhuhai. So it says Cantonese food of Zhuhai. So I guess that's kind of special for Zhuhai. This is going to be attracting a lot of people, as you'll be able to see shortly, just like how grand it is. So this is just kind of a taste of it, of Hengqin, right next to the Macau border. So we're gonna head out the gate, and then we're gonna show you when we come into Hengqin port. Let's head on out first. Give you a little context to where we are. So as soon as we come out here, we're going to start seeing tall buildings everywhere. So I'm going to come around here first. Got some stores that are open. The moisture is kind of heavy. This is kind of funny because I was just in Xi'an. So these are some restaurants here. I was just in Xi'an and I was eating that. So I got a couple of videos of that. I also had that too. And I was just thinking how unique it was to be in Xi'an and eating it. And now I see it, it's kind of here as well. But anyways, it is what it is. I kind of knew it was somewhere in Zhuhai, I just didn't realize it was like right next to the border. Because I live in Macau, just for people that don't know. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is just kind of show you. Over there is Macau. And we're gonna walk around this tall building. Huh, that building was all lit up just a little while ago. So I'm gonna turn the camera off briefly, and then we're gonna get it back going after we get around this building and we get to the port. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Before I continue too far, that's the building we were just in. Over there's the Macau side. I wish those buildings were still on. Those were just lit up and they just turned them off. But I can kind of feel like the grandiose of this is going to be. That's not too uncommon here. I do see a lot of kind of strange driving. The car just kind of stopped in the middle of the road right there, so the bus was kind of but I think this city kind of attracts a lot of people from all over China, so they come on over. Anyways, let me get closer to this port over here. Jeez, that guy's on the pedestrian crossing. I didn't expect that. Okay, before that goes out of view, we're gonna come around this. Then we're gonna go towards all those tall buildings over there. And then also over here, we have Ponto, which is some massive shopping area. So I think later when Hengqin is more fully developed, or when it's like really ready to go, these guys are going on this side. So it seems like they'd rather go on the purple over there instead. I think that's the bike lane. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Could be a bicycle lane, and maybe the motorbikes are supposed to be in the street, maybe. Okay, so over here is going to be the port, and you're going to see Hengqin port. So let me get a little closer here. And this is some exits just for the train, I think, is going to be set up here. Okay. I guess they're kind of fixing this road right here. And that's our port right over there. Yeah, I think a lot lot of people sit on these things. Notice. And I was over by some other ones, and a lot of people are sitting on these big spherical things there too. You just kind of watch people work and such. Although maybe they're more on their phones. Kind of a mix. So we got some new apartments over there. And I'm gonna turn the camera slowly to the left, but I think I want to capture this first. This is kind of what you'll see when you come out of the station. Okay, let's slowly come this way. Yeah, those two buildings are all lit up just like 20 minutes ago. I basically just where you saw me in that, where I started at, I actually went to get something to eat over there. So there's Hengqin Port. So we're going to be up there in a minute, and then we'll kind of give you a whole view of it. Okay, now you can see it. Hengqin Port. Pretty big. You also got some stores over there to the right, and you got lots of stores inside as well. Okay, let's say keep off the grass. You get a little spot of grass right there. There's giant Hengqin Port. Yeah, actually the massiveness of this area feels really interesting. Once I get onto this elevator, I'll flip the camera around and I can just kind of feel the vastness of it. Like right now, it's still kind of getting going, but later I can just kind of see just like massive people everywhere in this giant square. And then once you cross over, there's a ton of shopping, and that's also pretty massive over there too. So yeah, I feel like right now it's kind of like quiet because it's not fully, the train isn't yet set up. I just came in the airport. I flew into Zhuhai and going back to Macau. And then this is the first thing you'll see when you come in. Shopping areas. So I guess they also got like a bus station and a train station, but I don't think either one of them is fully realized yet. Long distance bus is down there as well. Lots of opening soon signs. And we're going to be going towards the border, so then I'll turn this off after, once I get up near there. Hengqin Port. Okay. So that's directly ahead. It says to Macau, but we're gonna go check out that music right there. But that's where the immigration is gonna be, is directly ahead. So let's kind of catch this right here. Get the real. Let's see what this is exactly. So we're gonna have to turn the camera off because we're gonna get near immigration over there. Let me see, I might even go to the 7-Eleven before we do, but that's the Macau Immigration Hall. And I might just check out this 7-Eleven. So I'm gonna go there and then we're gonna go over to the immigration over there. Then I'll film probably on the other side. And we're back on the other side, so you can see the University of Macau way over there. We'll walk towards that. And then you can also see Looks like the buses are, there it is right there. University of Macau in the distance, and right there says Frontier to Macau. So we made it. We're back in Macau. So there's the best view right there. Frontier Macau, Frontier Hengqin. And now we're just going to try to catch a bus. I think maybe that 25p bus, I hope. And you can see Parisian way in the distance. All right. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.